Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you the best available DoorDash promo codes or coupon codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google, searching Reddit, also watching clickbait videos, trying tons of codes. Most of them don't even work. These DoorDash promo codes are going to allow you to get $100 into your DoorDash account with no strings attached. This is working for new and existing users. Before I show you these DoorDash promo codes, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a huge gift card giveaway. To enter, you simply like and subscribe. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you how to get these DoorDash coupon codes in 2026. As you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone. I recommend just using the mobile that you have DoorDash on, and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys. Super easy, Crash Coupons. And it's going to bring you to this coupon code website. Now, they mostly have game codes, but yeah, they do actually have a page on here for DoorDash. So I'm just going to use the search bar and navigate to the DoorDash coupon codes page. There is only one verified working coupon, but this is the $100 account credit code that I told you about. So click on Get Code. Now, these are limited codes, guys. So what you're going to see is a page where it tells you need to unlock your code, which is completely normal. I did this earlier, and it only took about 5 to 10 minutes, but it is well worth it considering you're getting $100 account credit. So you need to unlock your code basically, and these are limited codes. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to be brought to this page here. Complete 2 of the free offers to get your code. So basically, guys, what this is, these protect the codes and the sponsor code Crash Coupons. So you essentially just need to complete 2 tasks on this page. They're all completely free. They do take about 5 minutes, but they're really easy things. Like this one, I've just clicked there. Download, install this app and create a free account. So you'd basically grab the app from the App Store. This one is a free survey. So they're really easy, guys. Just make sure you follow the instructions and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your DoorDash coupon code will be unlocked. The full code will be revealed. You redeem it in your DoorDash account. You can alternatively add at least $100 to your basket, and you can apply it straight away if you wish as well. But $100 is going to get you tons of food, so just add it to your account, guys. It's going to add $100 straight into your account as credit. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons, navigate your way to this DoorDash promo code page, and select the code. Make sure you follow the instructions to unlock it. Like and subscribe for that gift card giveaway, and I'll see you in the next video.